Hi guys, welcome to this session in LibreOffice Calc. In this module, I want to show you how you can record the fastest time you do a particular exercise and what date that was. So I've got some times on the screen and some miles across the top, up to 10 miles. And I want at the top here the fastest time from each column and the date that I did it. So for example, this one, 2 minutes 38 is the fastest time, and I did it on the 25th of December 2024. So I want the fastest time there and the relevant date next to it. So to get the fastest time, the first thing I'm going to use is the min function. So if I type equals min, open the bracket on that, select the range that I want it to look down, close the bracket. That should bring up that time to the top. Click the tick. That does that. Now to get the date, I'm going to use the lookup function, but before I do that, so I don't have to worry about dollar signs, I'm going to name this list dates up there, type in dates, pressing enter to name that. So this is how it should work. If I go equals look up, open the bracket, going to click on that cell, that's what I'm looking for, comma, I'm looking for it in this list, column B, comma, when I find it, I want to match it with the dates. Closing the bracket there, clicking the tick. Comes up with the 25th, so that works fine. If I do that in a faster time, so let's go for that one. So if I go 0002 dead, that should now be the fastest time, and that has picked up the date. So what I should be able to do now is pull the min function across all the way over, and also the lookup function all the way over, and then it should pick up the relevant dates. What I want to do now is get this to color up the fastest time using conditional formatting. So if I highlight all of this area, go to conditional, manage, and then add. Now I need to use the formula option. So formula is, and then it's going to be equals that cell there, taking the dollar signs off, no dollar signs, equals B2. So B2, the dollar sign needs to come off the B, but not the 2. Dollar sign off, and then I'm going to change that to be good, so it goes green. Click OK to that, and then OK again, and then all the fastest times should color up like that. So that's all I want to talk about in this little video, how you can use the min function with the lookup function to record the fastest time or display the fastest time and the date that you did it. So hopefully that video was of use. Thank you for your time, and I'll catch you on the next one.